Yeah, it's a farming area, you know. It's my cousin Roy. Yeah, I move up on the tractor. Yeah. See it there? There's a cornfield over there and another cornfield. Real farming area, you know. Real farming area. See tractor, yeah? Aye. Real massive. Yes, there's Roy. Yes, bless. How the corn look when it's young. I'm gonna show you when it's ripe. Yeah. My cousin just called me, I know, you know. Where's the family?
How are you doing, General?
Me there, man. See you there. Long time.
Long blouse and spare time, man.
See you
when you mash
soon.
up the place, when you mash up the place, me not see again, for you take the blood clot, play the bag of peanut.
Yeah.
And you get about 100,000 views.
My circle still, you know. A Deep Roots TV me up on still.
Brother.
Yeah, man, YouTube, man.
Let's go, rest of that man, I can't, man.
Yeah, man.
You look good, man.
Yeah.
I said, blood, please.
Farmer man. See it there?
Yeah.
I am the farmer man. I Crockersback farmer man. You know. This is Cornwall District, Cornwall, P.O. St. Elizabeth, and you're looking at Audrey's cornfield. Yeah. Drink what you want, man.
Alright.
See it there? And Audrey is my auntie granddaughter. This is family. I mean, farming runs in the blood. If you do enter Dry Harbor from Lacuba, come up, you'll see this beautiful ancient wooden shop right now. It's building up because, you know, say our family strive. It will be soon be concrete. But right now, she's showing her farming skills, also her shopkeeping skills and her chefing skills. So if you want a meal and you're in the Cornwall, Carisbrook area, Lockover, just take Dry Harbor going up to Carisbrook and you'll see right at the post office, beautiful shop here and a farm brewing right next to it. Big up yourself, my cousin. Yes, you gone worldwide. Yeah, this ain't no world bribe. It's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, the Crockersback farmer. Yeah, you know it's more life and it's more joy and it's more happiness. Remember, subscribe, like, share. Yes, you're here. Big up all my friends and family, everyone that likes farming. Yes, from evening till morning. More life. We're looking at the cornfields. These are young corn trees that are growing. I will bring you closer, give you a better view, and let you see when the corns are actually growing. This is how a corn tree looks when it's actually just growing. Yes. You plant the corn seed and it grows into this grass-like tree, and then it develops stalks, blossoms, and grow corn. Look how beautiful, green, and luscious they are. Remember, it's a Crockersback farmer, and you're tuned into farming. Yeah, you love farming. I know you love farming, because if you didn't love farming, you would not be here watching this. Beautiful. This is Jamaica St. Elizabeth. Yes, beautiful, luscious, green, and warm. So if you do like farming and would like to take a hiatus in the woods, in the hills, listen to birds, watch the bees. And if you like to invest in the Crockersback Farmers product, just contact me at 954-245-5180. Yes, the Rastaman will be your hero. It's more life, more joy. Yes, this is corn. This is actually my family's cornfield. So we're working it, and it's here for us what's my family's mind. So I can't be farming everything. So what they decide is that we are going to do a domestication project where the farmers in the local community will assist the Crockersback farmer in acquiring whatever natural products they would want. As you see, they come and they mold up around the root. They're strong, beautiful corn. Beautiful, yum. This is corn. You can make popcorn, cornmeal, cook corn, green corn, corn on the cob, roast corn. corn cream, corn in the can, corn. It's all about the corn. Hope I'm not too corny. So subscribe, like, and share. It's Rastafari Soldier, the Crocus Bog Farmer. Yeah, live in Cornwall District, Cornwall, P.O. St. Elizabeth. This is Jamaica. Yes, Jamaica's food basket. Love it.